been friends for over 20 years, and I am so honored to be a part of her big day. I want to start by thanking everybody for coming and everyone who helped make this happen. I am so happy that he came into her life to love and cherish her like she deserves. I wish you a lifetime full of happiness, love, and happiness. I wish you a lifetime full of love and happiness. And if everybody could raise their glass and cheers with me, that would be really cool.
Dear Tyler, we're almost 5 years later, and the day I've always dreamed of is now a reality. I get to marry my soulmate, my best friend, all in one. I love how romantic, thoughtful, and patient you are from the moment I first met you. I knew you were the one I want. What I found in you is the guy I wish to choose forever with. I'll never be able to express how much I love you. In a few moments, you will be my husband. I'm ready for our journey. Yours forever, Carreghan.
Dear Carreghan, in a few short hours we start a new chapter in our life as husband and wife, and there is no one I would rather spend my life with than you. I love you with all my heart, and I always will. I will be there to support you through any decisions you make in this life as we go through it side by side, hand in hand. There will never be enough words I can say to describe my love for you, but I will always try. Your soon-to-be husband, I will love you forever and always. Love, Tyler.
I'm going to keep this short and sweet because I don't really do public speaking, so you can't ask for a better guy and friend as Tyler, and I'm thankful and value our friendship. So with that being said, I just want to wish you both nothing but love and happiness. You start your new chapter, and I'm honored to be a part of your special day.
On behalf of Carreghan and Tyler, I would like to thank all of you for your being here this afternoon, for taking the time and making the journey to this beautiful venue. You have come here today to share in this commitment, to offer your love and support to their union and allow Carreghan and Tyler to start their married life together, surrounded by the people dearest and most important to them. Tyler, do you take Carreghan to be your wife?
I do.
And Carreghan, do you take Tyler to be your husband?
I do.
By the power of your love and commitment and the power invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and you may kiss that bride.